Fighting back tonight with a new interactive tool that shows crimes happening near you. Dublin police now putting this information at your fingertips. And ABC 6's Tara Morgan is live to walk us through how it works. Tara?
Dublin police putting it all out there so neighbors know where crimes like burglaries and car break-ins are happening almost as fast as they happen. Now, the app and website allows users to put up the stats on iPads, smartphones, even their home computer. In a time where tech gadgets are used for just about everything, games, news, and staying in touch,
this is basically the screen that they're going to see.
Fighting back is just a click away, too.
It's showing a variety of crimes which you can select.
3 times a day, Dublin police upload crime reports to Raids Online.
It made much more sense so that the public can go on and not only see the crime trends and kind of hotspot areas just in Dublin, but in the entire region.
Crime hotspots show up on a map.
You go from the blue to the green to the yellow to the red, and the red would be where the most crimes occurring.
Colored icons highlight crimes like thefts from cars, the biggest problem in Dublin right now.
They can just be extra careful if you're going in that area, shopping or to the movies or something like that.
You can even let police know you want text alerts when something happens close to home.
On crimes within their neighborhood, within a mile of their house, 5 miles, they can pick the range.
Police want to hear from you immediately during an emergency, but this program allows for anonymous tips too.
We can actually interact with people anonymously.
Just one more way to feel safer at home.
We have a very low crime rate in Dublin and in this part of the county, but we want people to remember that they've got to help us keep their property safe as well.
Columbus Police, Reynoldsburg, Union, Licking, and Knox counties all use the software too, and we will put a link on our website. Live in the newsroom, Tara Morgan, ABC 6 News.